Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. In today's video we're going to be making one of our Nigerian snacks called egg roll. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. For this egg roll we are using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 8 boiled eggs, a quarter cup of milk, and 1 raw egg. Here I have half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. These are basically all we are using for this egg roll. I'll leave the measurements in the description box below. I also have vegetable oil here for frying. I will start by mixing all the dry ingredients together first. So I'm sieving in the flour into the mixing bowl, and then we'll add all others in no particular order. Then I flatten each cut out dough and put the egg in it. And cover it, making sure to cover the egg very well with the dough. Roll it very well in your palm to make sure that it's strong enough so that it will not break in the oil when it enters the hot oil. Have fun with it. Just like when you're rolling your fufu for swallow. Hi. Repeat the same process until you have rolled all the eggs. I have finished rolling the whole egg, so it's now time to start frying. The oil has been heating on the side, so don't let the oil to be too hot. Drop in the egg roll gradually into the oil. I have 8 rolled eggs, so I'm going to fry it into 2 batches. 4. And here is the finished product. The egg roll looking so delicious. It also tasted so delicious. Thank you so much, my people, for watching. Don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe if you have not. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.